Ndiamano sano mwanchumlia weta seni kia Ndizi TV no gasemere kwa na kwa bere kugotwara oboligereria obiana ndene biro bindengo kwaligania asemesa ya mangana maya heli ndengo manye nare ya bere kago kolekana korwa chingongo chonsi inyechense asinse mochiche mitandao asinse ya Facebook na bagotonyora wetera Ndizi TV News Digital na baga asinse ya YouTube na bagotonyora wetera Ndizi TV News letera ne Fridah Kerubo ikaransa oike heli ndengo manye senchera yobwenge chinga kitoroche abanyakonda korwase county ya Kisii batuguteirare ORWO rumugavana Paul Simbarati kubwatekana neli deni lya abanyakonda siba muire amatuko 5 na bere abegako bakana chibesa cyabo nabayigombaga yo murayiwense Dr. William Ruto kurugo chikabuna EMETE beke GOSIMEKWA nigo OMC korwase ward yeligoma ime county ya Nyamira aimukire getambukiro nabayigo GOSIMEKWA EMETE aseskuru yoboroso ya biticha makonyi bo murayiwense rigadiga shagwa nigo litkolia lera twarege ikaro nabakonyi baba governor ime county ya MOMBASA asibaba gukwanera obakoreri bw'iki county anemono chinga ki serikali enene tarabage kwana na chibesa guchasti county eryo kwanekia obakoreri obuya nabo igoko bwatikana n'aboroki wabo bete bagusiria obugima bwabo aseskuru yabeseke ya mkumu bana nigo ekyombe ya kupetiki aberige kurwa ORWOTI bene asibabulire ewizara y'ikisemi koligereria boya enganeyo nabo igokobeka emerobili asoko enekibuna bikorwa bune byembiriwe chikwene kigwa amatuko abosio mubunge oisiolo bana nigo ayenekiribuna nigo abasaya bange bagotwara ebirengererio binge kubwatekana nengana ya betting asiba kuimuki chilon elinde go beti mwanchumulie to basako nyingera ngo irananda segekeke kerebosio elinde ngomanye amange. Ingo chaka kegimao mwanchumulire nigongo chakera county ya Kisii asengo kumanyibuna nigo abanyakonda kwetera ase county yo baba gotuguterare ORWOTI urura barogosoki wabwango igano mugavana we county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati kubwatekana neli deni lya beteli kwene kigwa ase oborayi bwetete ase abanyakonda baganire wakano wa chibesa cyabo okwana imemo cyobusongo nigo baba kobolia omugavana Paul Simbarati nabego komo amatuko 5 na bere elinda kwene kibuna nkonyorera bale chibesa cyabo.
And the law states very clearly, when you want to form a pending committee that investigates the pending bills, you have to go through the procurement, the planning officer, the finance officers, to come out with a good pending bill report so that to ascertain whether the pending bills are good or bad. So we want to assure all contractors of Kisii County that your pending bills are now going to be paid within 7 days. Or not, we are going to petition the Kisii County government through Simbarati. We are going to go to Senate and arbitration. We are going to launch even another case in court whereby he will come with the report, which is fake report that he is going to present. That is a personal belonging. We don't recognize that report as contractors of Kisii County. We now urge our lawyer, we instruct our lawyer immediately to demand from him the report so that we can ascertain what he was doing.
Kwatikana nayo mwanchumulire ni otokende masemo goika county ya Nyamira asengo kumanyuna maiga yo kurugo chika maiga goseyo murayiwense kurugo chika muna EMETE ebeke GOSIMEKWA asensecho ya Kenya wana nigo OMC korwase ward yeligoma Nyambega Gisesa bakubwaterana no mo CEC bwe binto etana ine John Matiangi bayimukiriye getambukiro nabayigo GOSIMEKWA EMETE aseskuru yoboroso ya biticha nigo barengete GOSIMEKWA EMETE chiribu emerongo kianda asewikera bono iga imeye ward yeligoma babere ba GOSIMEKWA EMETE chiribu 10.
Tuna hapa ili tupande miti na miti ambayo tumeipanda kufikia sasa ni takriban 10,000. Tutapanda miti for free bila kulipa pesa ili kueneza ujumbe wa rais wetu Dr. Samoei Ruto ambaye ametuhimiza tupande miti milioni 30 kwa mwaka huu.
Tunga abantu beri go maward totaite in the next 6 months kire location has make EMETE 10,000 gutobate target ya 90,000 trees as a location tokunya gusabanga omo forest tomo county forester Mark George huko nomo waziri ito Matiangi na abache batokonye none seedling none nursery batobekere netonyo EMETE na bera renda jira se vijana igutubenga ntu aba MCA county ya Nyamira none no mosiko kurkunga zipora ntoka na tene Gusii numo governor ito Amos Nyaribo inyagitari ito ya Sierra yero operational rigo masiara na nde kwa support etauni ito ya Keroka itoga endete no corona kigo cha kwa municipality ne bintu binde asenyamire ngima
Ibiense Rigathi Gachagua nigo ritukuria rero abakagwikirana ase EGEIKARO iki kiabakegokorekana ime county ya MOMBASA asa abakakumirana n'abakonyi b'ekigavana okwana na barabonigo abagakubabulia koeneki obokoreri obuya ase chi county nabo igo kubwaterana n'ekigavana soko eneki mnangwikirane bali amagendero anamono chinga kichiga abakenya babaligeretie nabo igo kuchikoeneki mna magigaye miaka 5
We are joined at the hip. The success of William Ruto as president is the success of Rigathi Gachagua as deputy. The failure of President William Ruto as president is the failure of Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua. Similarly, the success of your governor is your success. The failure of your governor is your failure. It therefore behoves you and your governor to work together collectively to succeed, because both of you have a 5-year social contract with the residents of your county. That contract will be renewed on successful delivery or terminated on failure to deliver. So you are in the same boat and suffer a similar fate either way. Through Executive Order Number 1 of 2023, President William Ruto spelled out my roles as Deputy President. A clear definition of the roles and responsibilities of the President and the Deputy has helped us work in a complementary and not in competition. Indeed, each one of us is very busy. We have no time to idle around or entertain destructive and destructive business. Our bosses, the Kenyan people, are looking upon us for results to uplift their standards of living.
Tinga kicho boigwa niga bakonyi baba governor baba kwene kibuna nigo bokoreri ase county wabere bokwirana nse kubwatikana no gutaigwa chibesa kurwa ase serikali enene kolende nigo omokonyi bomuraiwense abaga kwene kibuna babere bakubeka emero bilemekirano asoko ene kibuna mbachikwenyorera chibesa na kwene kibuna chibesa cyongo ikakire ase county elio kwene ki amagenderero.
Swala la mgao ambao unatakana kuletwa ni jambo la dharura, na kwa sasa hivi utendakazi wa kaunti nyingi umelemazwa, na tuone kwamba kuna hatari kubwa pia kwamba maendeleo na zile faida tumepata katika ugatuzi huenda ukaathirika pakubwa endapo hatutachukua jitihada za haraka kutatua tatizo hili.
We plead that you strongly advance this agenda and push for to have timely disbursements of resources to counties to avoid the clipping of county operations.
We've talked to the financial institutions and we're lumping out all approved and confirmed pending bills to be negotiated, and we've already finalized with a financial institution to buy off all those bills, where now my burden is one payment to a financial institution at the end of the month, so that my CECs don't start getting court orders that they have to be arrested because of a pending bill they were not even aware of.
So we are collecting some more money, and shortly the governors will do another disbursement to enable our counties function.
Kobwatikana na boroki wa gusiria obugima bwabo ase skuru ya baiseke ya Mukumu banaritukoria rero ekiombe gya kupeti nigo gyatwara EGEIKARO nabo igokorwa ORWOTI rwabo baigo nigo baba bakorwa ebirengeri byabo kobwatikana no goncholia gukora chikokorekana asoko ene kibina bikorwa bune byombirigo chikoene kigwa amatukabosyo ase babolia ewizara yekisemi koligereria engane yo oboya.
I wonder whether he or she has the requisite capacity to address matters of health of this nature. A school of 2028 is an equivalent of a location in some jurisdictions in this country, or an equivalent of a sub-location, which has got 2 health centers. But in this school, if it ever has anything like a health facility, there is only somebody who is reporting sickness. I think somebody must take responsibility. We must be serious as Kenyans. And we should avoid these knee-jerk reactions from the Ministry of Education every now and then. Something must be done. And conclusively so, the person who must protect the life and the activities of professionals is the Teacher Service Commission. How can they force the principal with a gun on her head to resign? It is not good, and we will not accept it.
Umabunge Oisiolo Mohamed Abdi nigo aene kiribuna niga ABASAE bange bagotwara ebirengerelio kobwatikana nengana eyogobet wosanga nigo babiri bakobolia eserikali kobeka emerobere nabayigo gokora amonchorelio ase okoligereria engana yogobet weya asabaga kwene kibuna nigo ABASAE bakuimukia egetambukero nabayigo gokabesa kibese kibagutumika asogobet nabagekero basiririe enibeyo batwara ebirenge libinge aina mono ase bali bakurundia boda boda nigo bagokora emibasukano emingi.
Mr. Speaker, thank you for the opportunity. One thing about betting, we have problems here and there. The problems we have is not only betting. Our young people and even the older ones, people go for these ones to get quick money. In the end, people are getting mad. Most of them are getting crazy just because they have wasted all what they have saved. Children who are going to school, all the dropouts, and all these things, drugs they are going into, is because of this betting thing. People want to get money every time. Not only that, there are other issues, like Mheshimiwa has said out there. In future, we are going to get some problems here. About the motorbikes and all these things, we have borders. In the next 20 years, because of accident, we will be ending up with having a lot of disabilities in this country if we don't think of regulating some of these issues. Then there is this issue about equally loans by use of logbooks and whatever books or whatever titles or something like that. Even those ones are causing a lot of stress to Kenyans. I don't know when we can be able, because of the problems in Kenya, people seem to be going into a lot of ventures which could be very dangerous in future.
Habaraibe chikanisa nigo bachakire kampeni yokoegwa chanjo ya corona eme county ya Busia nigo babulia bamenye benseme yogotanga inwa buna uburoiro bwa corona mbwerete asibabulire gwesokia asobonge nabo igo kwenyorera chanjo yo anamono nabo igo kulinda obonyamasi bwabo elinde gutanga amarwaire ao.
Kufikia sasa tumechanja kwa jumla watu takribani 1517 na katikati ya hawa 1517 tumeweza kuchanja watu takribani 1300 kwa chanjo ya kwanza. So hiyo inamaanisha ya kwamba kwa chanjo ya kwanza we are at about 51%. Ukiangalia kwa chanjo ya pili kwa jumla tumeweza kufikia watu takribani 33%, that is about 100,000. Ukiangalia 18 years and above, the fully vaccinated tuko at 41.1%, and kwa watoto wetu ambao ni umri wa miaka 12 hadi 17 tuko at about 15%. Na ukiangalia takwimu zinaonyesha kwamba katikati ya dozi ya kwanza hadi dozi ya pili tumeweza kwa dozi ya kwanza kwa hawa watoto kuchanja watoto.
Chanjo ilikuwepo na hata hii chanjo ya corona hatuanzi. Tumetaka tuambie kwamba waende sehemu za kupokea chanjo ili waweze kujikinga na magonjwa ambayo tumeona yanakuja na yakipata ya kwamba hauna kinga ya mwili ya kutosha, hata kama si corona unaweza pigwa na magonjwa mara moja na ulazwe na hata ikuue.
Kama viongozi wa dini, nyinyi ndio tuna njia mwafaka ya kuelimisha watu. Tafadhali ambieni watu, hasa kabisa katika sehemu za makongamano, watu waendelee kuhifadhi zile njia ambazo ni za kujikinga.
Abagaka kurwasegesa kukia gema ni gobabulire okobweterana ili goikirani emeroberio asensemo ya Tranzoia okwana ni gobaba kwene kipna chitofauti cyabo gesiasa na cichabere chikoirani amagendero magega asebane kipna ngosira bale omorai wense lindo kwene kyobokoreri obuya ase chinsemecho baigoni gobane kipna tibali go chikorobekana ekiagera mbaganeti amagendero ase chinsemecho.
Kukanusha yale ambao kuna mtu alienda State House akazungumza kwa mambo yake mwenyewe. Sisi tunasema sisi kama jamii ya Wakikuyu hapa Trans Nzoia tukiwa chini ya Gema tuko pamoja. Yes. Tumesema hiyo mambo sio sisi tulisema. Sisi tumesema ya kwamba tuko na serikali na tumesimama imara na serikali.
Tulikuwa uchaguzi uliopita tulikuwa upande wa Azimio. Leo tunarudi kwa upande wa serikali ya Samoei Arap Ruto. Na tunasema mambo ya maandamano, sisi kama jamii ya Gema vitu yetu ndio uharibika. Kwa hivyo hatutaki maandamano.
Mwancho murigereria korwa ORWOTI oronio na ikire omwelio bwa mangana maiya asebirebiga kurende toska tonyegera chikoraga ensa emo ayuna mange no nyara senchera iyo boikirano kurende nyara sinsemo chiche mitandao asensemo ya Facebook na bagotonyara wetera Ndizi TV News Digital na baga sensemeri ya YouTube na bagotonyara wetera Ndizi TV News magachi kamera soko ne kibna ebicha na boigo eliogiri gukera sore asenchera ya bene nere nyanchama Abigail Erietaria ne Fridah Kerubo ngokoganiria oboligereria obuya.